Did you know that nearly 80% of SUV buyers regret their purchase within just 2 years? They spend tens of thousands of dollars only to face unexpected repair costs, disappointing fuel economy, and lackluster driving experiences. That's why Consumer Reports tested over 70 SUV models, and the results are shocking. Only a few score top marks for reliability, capable of lasting over 200,000 miles. Some even have annual maintenance costs under $50. You'll discover 9 smart choices that save money and offer long-term peace of mind. If you find this video helpful, comment 1. If not, comment 2. Thanks. One, Subaru Forester. In the SUV world, the Subaru Forester consistently ranks high for durability and practicality. What makes the 2025 model truly surprising is its 86-100 reliability score from Consumer Reports, a rare feat even luxury SUVs struggle to match. For a compact SUV, this is like a golden ticket for anyone wanting a long-lasting vehicle without costly minor repairs. The Forester's biggest selling point is its standard all-wheel drive, AWD. Unlike rivals charging thousands extra for AWD, Subaru includes it as standard. This makes the Forester rock solid in any condition: slippery rain, snowy winters, or rugged dirt trails. Many owners say driving the Forester feels safer because it grips the road tightly and rarely loses control in sudden situations. You might think AWD means high fuel consumption. Not quite. The Forester maintains impressive efficiency, 26 mpg city and 33 mpg highway, rivaling compact sedans. This makes it a rare gem that's both powerful and economical. Another plus is the EyeSight safety system. Subaru doesn't charge extra for advanced safety features. They're standard. From automatic emergency braking to lane departure warnings and adaptive cruise control, it's all included. For families, especially those on long trips, this is a major reassurance. The Forester's interior isn't overly luxurious, but is spacious, practical, and user-friendly. Seats are comfortable, cargo space is ample for weekend getaways, and the dashboard layout is intuitive, letting drivers focus on the road. 2. Honda Passport. If the Subaru Forester shines in the compact SUV segment, the Honda Passport wins hearts for those needing a practical, powerful mid-size SUV without the bulk. Often described as a nimble 5-seater version of the Honda Pilot, it keeps nearly all the strength and durability of its larger sibling. What sets the Passport apart is its 3.5L V6 engine, delivering 280 horsepower. Without complex turbocharging, this naturally aspirated engine offers smooth, reliable power with minimal long-term hassle. While many new SUVs use turbo engines for performance but face costly maintenance, the Passport sticks to a safe, effective approach. Fuel economy is decent for a mid-size SUV, 25 mpg on the highway. This makes long trips more affordable, especially compared to heavier, thirstier competitors. Inside, the Passport impresses with a roomy, smartly designed cabin. Seats are comfy, the trunk is spacious, and the dashboard is simple, easy to master even for tech-averse drivers. Many owners say, the Passport isn't complicated or fussy. It just does what a family SUV should. Most importantly, it's built to last. Many Passports have surpassed 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. This proves Honda's built-to-last philosophy. Consumer Reports also gives the Passport high marks for owner satisfaction, meaning it's not just reliable. People love owning it. In short, the Honda Passport is for those wanting a powerful, spacious SUV that's not overly complex, prioritizing long-term reliability and a confident driving experience. 3. Lexus RX. When you hear Lexus RX, most buyers picture a luxurious, smooth, and tech-packed SUV. But what makes the RX special is that it's not just beautiful on the outside, it has the lasting durability few luxury SUVs can match. For over a decade, the Lexus RX has consistently ranked at the top of Consumer Reports' reliability charts, a feat even many prestigious German brands can't claim. The RX's first draw is its silky smooth performance. The RX 350's V6 engine delivers effortless power, while the hybrid version adds remarkable fuel efficiency, over 30 mpg combined, a rare figure for a luxury SUV. This makes the RX both a premium experience and a long-term money saver. The RX's interior showcases sustainable luxury. The cabin features premium leather, excellent sound insulation, and a practical, user-friendly layout. Instead of flashy, failure-prone features, Lexus focuses on what matters: comfortable seats, an intuitive infotainment system, and reliable advanced safety tech. Another major plus is resale value. While many luxury SUVs depreciate quickly, the RX holds its value exceptionally well. This comes from Lexus's brand reputation, reliable mechanics, and lower maintenance costs compared to European rivals. Owners often say, "I didn't just buy a luxury SUV, I bought peace of mind." 4. Kia Telluride. If the Lexus RX represents enduring luxury, the Kia Telluride is proof of a stunning transformation. Once seen as a budget brand, Kia has soared, and the Telluride is the ace card that shocked the market. The 2025 Telluride impresses with modern design and a spacious interior, earning a perfect 5.5 reliability score from Consumer Reports and high praise from J.D. Power. This isn't luck. Kia invested heavily in quality assembly, premium materials, and cutting-edge safety systems. Starting at around $37,000, buyers get a 3-row SUV with a near-luxury cabin and tech typically found on German models costing over $55,000. Seats are comfortable, the infotainment is intuitive, and there's enough space for large families. Many owners admit they can't believe it's a Kia, as the experience far exceeds expectations. Beyond style and comfort, the Telluride is durable and holds value well. Used models sell for nearly the price of new ones, a rare trait in mainstream SUVs. Kia's industry-leading 10-year 100,000-mile warranty further boosts confidence in its long-term reliability. Performance-wise, the smooth V6 engine is strong enough to tow up to 5,500 pounds, making the Telluride versatile for road trips or daily tasks. Its active safety suite, standard automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and collision warnings adds to its appeal. The Kia Telluride is a true game-changer, an SUV delivering luxury, safety, and durability at a reasonable price. It's perfect for those wanting a spacious family vehicle without sacrificing long-term ownership confidence. 5. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. In the 3-row SUV segment, most buyers face a tough choice. Pick a spacious family vehicle that guzzles gas or settle for a fuel-efficient model with limited seating. The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid breaks this frustrating trade-off by combining space and efficiency in one vehicle. Its standout feature is fuel economy. With 36 mpg combined, the Highlander Hybrid outperforms most rivals in its class. To put it simply, an average family could save over $800 a year on gas alone. This isn't just a small saving. It's a clear, long-term benefit for your wallet. Beyond efficiency, the Highlander Hybrid earns a perfect 5-tier 5 reliability score from Consumer Reports. This means the chances of dealing with annoying repairs are extremely low. Many owners report driving their Highlander over 250,000 miles with stable performance, a remarkable feat for a family SUV. The interior isn't overly fancy but is highly practical. 3 rows of seats are well arranged, spacious enough for adults. The cargo area fits a family's luggage for long trips. The dashboard layout is simple and user-friendly, avoiding distractions for the driver. This is a vehicle that embodies Toyota's long-standing philosophy of safety, durability, and efficiency. Another notable point is owner satisfaction. Not only is it reliable, but the Highlander Hybrid also delights owners over the long haul. From its smooth ride to its dependability on long trips, everything comes together to make it an SUV you can buy once, use for a decade, and never regret. Acura RDX. If the Highlander Hybrid is the go-to for efficient, reliable family SUVs, the Acura RDX is the answer for those wanting luxury paired with Japanese dependability. While many luxury SUVs come with high repair costs and complex tech, the RDX offers a different approach. Upscale yet easy to live with, powerful yet low maintenance. The RDX shines with its 2.0L turbo engine, delivering 272 horsepower. This is enough for confident highway driving and quick overtaking, while still achieving impressive fuel economy, 28 mpg on the highway. Drivers get a rare balance of performance and efficiency, something few luxury SUVs pull off. Inside the cabin, the RDX reflects Acura's DNA, luxurious but not ostentatious. It features premium leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, an intuitive infotainment system, and a standard suite of safety tech. Unlike many European models that charge extra for each option, Acura includes everything in the base package. This saves money and reduces the risk of complex electronics failing. A lesser-known but crucial advantage is resale value. While many luxury vehicles lose 40–50% of their value in 5 years, the RDX holds steady thanks to Honda Acura's reputation. This means you're not just getting a luxurious SUV, you're protecting a long-term investment. Mechanical durability also sets the RDX apart. Owners often report stable performance over 10 years with maintenance costs significantly lower than German rivals. This is why Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RDX among the most reliable luxury SUVs. Mazda has long been known for its fun-to-drive, built-to-last philosophy, and the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is the clearest proof of that. While many brands force buyers to choose between performance and long-term reliability, Mazda blends both, creating a compact SUV that's both thrilling and dependable. Its biggest draw is the 2.5L turbo engine, pumping out 256 horsepower. This power lets the CX-5 outpace many performance SUVs that cost half as much more. Quick acceleration, responsive throttle, and sporty handling make it a top pick for those who want an SUV that's more than just transportation. But power never compromises durability. Consumer Reports and independent mechanics confirm the CX-5 can hit 200,000 miles with just routine maintenance. Plus, its average maintenance cost is only about $447 a year, nearly $200 below the segment average. This makes the CX-5 a rare SUV that excites behind the wheel while saving owners money. Fuel efficiency is also impressive, 31 mpg on the highway. For a turbo-powered SUV, this is a rare two-in-one combo of strength and economy. The CX-5's interior elevates the experience further. Mazda uses high-quality materials, from soft leather seats to refined metal accents, giving the feel of a luxury SUV. Many owners say, the CX-5 feels like driving a BMW, but at the cost of a Toyota. 8. Toyota RAV4. If the Mazda CX-5 captivates with its sporty drive, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 stands as a symbol of stability and smart investment. It's one of the world's best-selling SUVs, and it's no accident that millions of owners return to buy another RAV4 after years of loyalty. The RAV4's biggest strength is its resale value. While most SUVs lose nearly half their value in 5 years, the RAV4 retains up to 61% of its original price. This means selling it after a few years results in far less loss than competitors, a key factor as car costs keep rising. Beyond resale, the RAV4 is economical to own. It achieves 35 mpg on the highway, saving owners significant fuel costs yearly. Unlike many SUVs with pricey maintenance, the RAV4 uses a timing chain instead of a belt, a small detail that saves thousands over the vehicle's life. For driving, the RAV4 isn't about flashy speed, but offers perfect balance for daily needs. From commuting to hauling groceries or weekend getaways, it delivers fully. The spacious interior, comfortable seats, and large cargo area make it ideal for families. Owners often say, the RAV4 may not be the most exciting, but it's never let me down. This reliability and practicality have kept it a leader for years. 9. Honda CR-V. If you had to pick one can't-go-wrong SUV, the Honda CR-V would top the list. For years, it's been the safe bet for first-time buyers and families wanting a durable, efficient, and user-friendly vehicle. The 2025 model solidifies that reputation with numbers that turn heads. The most striking feature, average maintenance costs of just $47 a year. Yes, you heard right, less than a monthly coffee budget. This comes from smart design, minimal fragile parts, and components that are easy to repair. The CR-V isn't fancy or complex. It's built to run smoothly for years without hassle. Its mechanical durability is legendary. Mechanics often see CR-Vs surpass 200,000 miles with original parts still running strong. For owners, that's total peace of mind. Buy once, rely on it for a decade. The CR-V also holds value exceptionally well. After 5 years, it retains 62 to 70% of its original price, matching the Toyota RAV4, a level few mainstream SUVs achieve. This makes the CR-V a smart investment, saving you money at purchase and resale. The driving experience isn't thrilling, but delivers exactly what most want: a smooth, easy drive, great fuel economy, and practicality. The spacious cabin, comfy seats, and large trunk make it a true family SUV. These 9 SUVs share key traits: durability, low maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, and strong resale value. They not only provide daily peace of mind, but also save thousands over the vehicle's life. The lesson: don't be swayed by sleek designs or flashy ads. Choose an SUV that delivers real, long-term value for your family and finances. That's the smartest investment when buying a car.